So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today I'm gonna have a little Q&A with my guy friends, and today Surya and Soham are taking part with me. So basically मैं उनको पूछने वाली हूँ the most embarrassing questions ever. I hope they're gonna be truthful to me. अगर नहीं भी हो, I know everything about them. I know them in and out.
A few moments later.
Hello.
Hi. So let me tell you the title of the video today. It is called Asking Your Guy Friends the Most Embarrassing Questions. Okay. So should we start now? You guys decide who wants to go first with the questions. So my first question to you is, both of you is, how many girls you guys can speak at a time when you guys are not really dating?
How many
How
girls?
many girls you guys can speak at a time when you guys are not really dating?
How honest do I have to be?
You have to be honest. Come on.
There's no count on that actually. It depends on how many girls I meet or how many girls I cross path with to have a conversation. So
Do you do that or not? The main question is that. I mean, how many girls you can speak at a time while you are not dating somebody? What's the possibility?
2, 3.
2 or 3 for you? So, Surya, what's your count?
Yeah, like 2, 3, 4, 5.
Surya has a hell
7,
lot of counts.
8, 9.
Moving on to the next question. Have you ever made out in your friend circle, both of you? Soham, what's your
No.
answer?
No.
No. Clearly no.
No.
Chal,
Not
chal.
on the friend circle. Friend circle में नहीं.
Sure.
हाँ, sure.
Surya,
Yeah,
you have made out in your friend circle.
yeah.
Next question for both of you is, have you guys ever double dated while being in a relationship?
No.
So I'm the সবেতেই মাথা নেড়ে যাচ্ছিস no.
সেটাতে no, সেটাতে no ভাই.
Okay, so no. Okay, both Surya, same for you?
No. Yeah, same.
You have not dated.
No.
Okay, done. Okay, so next question is a very interesting question, which I asked almost all the boys. Explain me the concept of dating older women.
I am not interested in that. So I don't know.
You are not interested in any
If
older
you're
woman.
interested, please explain.
Priya, are you interested?
I am, but I can't explain it really.
What is so fascinating about dating an older woman? Achha, what attracts you? Let me put it that way. I'm going to ask you the same question, by the way, Som, okay? What attracts you the most?
So what attracts you the most? Yeah, maybe the personality, the way the person is speaking, and
It's just for me, it's
at
just
the
a
end,
different experience. It's just a different experience for me.
Older woman. While what if I mean, that is what you find attractive about an older woman?
Sort of, yeah.
Okay. So the next question is, have you ever fantasized having threesome?
no. I don't even dream at night, so I don't have that much time to fantasize at night or at day.
What do you do exactly at night, so that you don't have time fantasizing shit?
At night, I just give my whole body and my whole time to sleep.
Sure. Surya, have you ever fantasized about threesome?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many times
who
exactly?
girls? You just told
ওটা বলতে পারছি না।
threesome is too
হ্যাঁ
less.
বলেছি ওই
foursome.
হ্যাঁ
Surya, foursome এর জন্য বল, threesome তো ছোট ব্যাপার, foursome.
Oh, you have fantasized foursome as well? What would you guys have done if a girl you are dating does not have a good sexual experience or is a very bad kisser? Surya?
A experienced one has to take the responsibility of experiencing someone else too.
You
Then
mean
what?
you're gonna teach your partner on bed? That is what you're gonna
शिक्षा
give.
लो और
You're gonna
शिक्षा को
guide.
आगे बढ़ाओ. शिक्षा लो, शिक्षा को आगे बढ़ो.
Acha. Got it. We'll come to that point later. Surya.
I guess you get better with experience. So
Okay.
you just have to give them the chance to have that experience, and who knows, they might be really good.
Okay. What is your main turn off when a girl is kind of approaching you for a conversation?
A call from her mom and dad.
That is your turn off?
Huh?
The
Like
parents are
about to talk
concerned.
or about to in a good conversation, and right that moment the girl will pick up the call. हाँ मम्मी, मैं तो यहीं पे हूँ दोस्त के साथ, अभी वापस आ रहा हूँ. हाँ मम्मी.
Okay, that is a turn off for you. What is for Surya? Surya?
I don't know. I guess both like the girl and the guy should have the equal opportunity to share each other's views about situations, and when the other person says more, like doesn't give the other person a chance to talk, that's kind of what
I got it. I got it. Like only that person is continuously talking and you don't get your chance to talk, or that kind of person is continuously interrupting.
Surya is a very একদম লয়াল মানুষ না, একদম লয়াল, সত্যবাদী না, ডিবেট করতে পছন্দ করে. ইউ গেট ইকুয়াল অপরচুনিটি, 2 মিনিটস তুমি কথা বলবে, আমি 2 মিনিট, 3 মিনিট.
Come on, he's going to be a lawyer soon.
3 মিনিট তুমি বললে কিন্তু হবে না, 2 মিনিটই তোমার সময় আছে বলতে হবে, তারপরে আমি
lawyer.
10 seconds later.
So moving on to the next question. So next question is, if you guys like someone, what would you do, guys do to impress that person? What is that one thing you guys can do to impress a girl?
I think I'd probably start with a icebreaker. Like, I don't know. Yeah, a good icebreaker would be nice.
Surya would be giving a nice pickup line.
Like
No, icebreaker, good icebreaker. Like you say something that has a lot of humor behind it, and you send that as a text. Like if you're talking over text, then text, or if in person you crack that pun or that joke, and the other person could relate to it or laugh to it. Either way, it's a win. It's a win-win.
What is the one thing for you, Soham?
Talk more to know each other better, so that you get that point or get that hang of that topic which both of you like, and then you can have a talk over that and a discussion over that, so that there is exchange of thoughts and everything in that way you get to know each other better more. So that's good.
Okay, you like talking more.
I actually don't impress someone just to impress that person.
Okay.
That the person get impressed by its own.
By just looking at you?
Do you? No. Do you get impressed? Then how will other girls? No, they don't.
I consider you as my brother. How can I just look at you suddenly and get impressed? Come on. You just can't expect this out of nothing.
Irrespective to a brother or sister, I think anybody, like if you see someone.
I don't know about other chicks. I don't know particularly. I don't know exactly whom are you talking about.
If you look at someone, you can get impressed, but that doesn't mean that you need to love that person.
You're talking about love at first sight. Both of you will now answer me this question, and very honestly, okay, that what is that one turn off and turn on in bed for both of you?
Surya, we are guys, this video will be posted on YouTube. I don't think we should say about our turn-ons. Let's just tell about our turn-offs.
Shut up. Surya, I want to know what is that one thing that turns you on and turns you off in bed? tell,
Turn
come
off
on.
would be like, mm, I don't know, probably having to rush.
Probably.
The thought of having to rush for some
Okay.
Yes,
reason.
Okay.
you to
And
like rush.
turn on would be probably, having foreplay.
Okay. Having foreplay. Nice. So, finally, please.
Yeah, turn on is like cuddling, playing with each other,
Okay. Lots of
and,
things are coming out. Okay.
and turn off would be, yeah, rushing, like, yeah, same as Surya. You should go by step,
Okay.
stage one, stage two,
You
stage
mean you
three.
have to go by bases? First base,
Yeah,
second base.
no, I have to go like basis completely. Like I need to first make my blanket clean and tidy, and then keep my pillows and my bed sheet.
80,000 impressions later.
Pillows are important because I have got experience of falling from the bed. So I keep pillows.
Okay.
দেওয়াল বানাস নাকি বিছানা সাইডে বালিতে এর মধ্যে জুতো
So next question for both of you is that have you guys ever had boner in public? Surya
Yes.
must be having it. I guess Surya had it also. I know about Surya. So
Surya, are you happy now?
why will he have it now? So both of you answer. Have you ever had boner in public?
No.
No? Clearly no. Surya,
No.
I know about you. Farmhouse.
No. Nothing like that.
Nothing.
We remember, we know it, Soham. We know
Yeah, we
about
know.
it. So, okay, Soham, did you have a boner in public ever?
Yeah.
And what did you do exactly?
Nothing. Just covered it up and acted
Oh.
as if I'm not.
Okay. And Surya, if you ever had boner in public, what would you do? If you ever had.
You will just take it out. I have got no boner, guys. What can I do? Surya, কি করবি?
I'll probably try to get rid of it as fast as possible.
Get rid of it, কি কেটে বাদ দিয়ে দিবি নাকি?
A few moments later.
What do you first see in a girl when a girl is approaching you, as in physically? What do you guys see in a girl?
The personality and the way she walks.
Shut up, don't lie.
What? Yeah.
Shut up. Do not lie.
Yeah.
I know you.
Hey, skip this question.
I see that. Yeah. The first,
We both honestly answered the question. আমাদের problem হয়ে যাবে.
like this, the way girl speaks and the personality and the way she's walking,
Okay, I get it. Surya, something different? Something more
I'll
exciting?
go with the same answer.
Okay,
That's
playing
the
it
same
safe.
answer.
You're
Yeah,
simply
we
playing
only
it safe.
this one, Surya. Same answer. High five.
Okay. How often do you guys think of sex, having sex? How often do you think it?
Surya will be like, you are my mind 2027. Surya, you're my mind 2027. What?
Surya, how often do you think about sex?
2027.
Pretty often.
I mean, how many
20,
times in a day?
24 into 7.
I can't give you a count or
Nice.
even an
20.7.
approximate.
Surya, come on. 20.7. That's the answer.
Not like you.
How do you know I think about that 20.7? How do you know? Not like you. How do you
Why
know?
are you answering my questions then?
Exactly.
I just thought.
No, that is the,
No.
that is
Wherever
your
he
time.
thinks about sex, are you there all the time in front of him about? Or are you being called for? So how many times in a day do you think about having sex?
I actually don't think about it. Whenever the time comes to happen, I think, okay, it's good.
It's that
I
time of the month.
It's like you don't think about getting married, but when you reach that, when you reach that specific age of yours, you all automatically get married.
Get
Don't need
married.
to get-
Okay. So I want you guys to answer a quick rapid fire, and both of you together, if possible. So quick rapid fire for both of you. Okay, body hair or no body hair in a girl? Quick.
Body hair.
Body hair? Hmm.
No body hair.
No body hair. Okay, no body hair. Surya, come on.
Either way, it's fine. I'm okay.
He just. Oh, anyways. Okay, boobs or butts?
But
But
Butts. Okay. Smile or eyes?
eyes.
Okay.
nice.
Eyes, no smile. Oh God. Okay, romantic or bold? I mean, the girl should be romantic or bold.
Bold.
A little bit of both, but more bold, I guess.
Okay, when you note, what do you exactly notice in a girl? Face or the body?
Face.
Face.
Face. The video basically comes to an end right now. Okay, bye guys. See you on my
Bye,
next
bye.
video again. Bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I know a lot of things spilled out by them, but I kind of enjoyed myself to the fullest. And I'm going to see you on my next vlog. Till then, bye, good night, take care, love you. Bye.